Mr. 300C in the building. Windy day. We have another installation video on the courtesy door lights. As you can see, those are yellow. We got to get rid of those. I already did the interior, made that blue. Got my little box here. I think this was like $7 or $8. Got this from Amazon. These are the type of lights you'll need. There you go. So we need to get our trusty little tool, flathead screwdriver, tiny one. We are going to stick this right here in the side, plop it open to expose everything. There it is, yellow halogen light. All right, plugged in, super bright as you can tell. If it doesn't work when you put it in the first time, gotta rotate it. Now we just snap it back in, call it a day. Job complete, super quick. That literally took less than 5 minutes for both sides. The one thing I don't like about the courtesy door lights on the 300s though, it's only on the front doors. You don't have them for the passenger side. So the Charger had them, which I liked. You do have a reflector. I don't know what that's there for, but anyway, we'll post a video here later. New night. Install complete. Blue light special. Looks pretty good. Car looks dope. HEMI's chilling. All right, y'all, see what it looked like. Anyway, I'm out. Peace.